So hello guys, so imagine this scenario. So your boss just called you that, hey bro, I'll be having a meeting with the MD in 1 hour's time, and I need you to provide me a consolidated report of all the settlement that we've done for the month of July. But the problem is that the settlement reports that you have is actually saved on your system on a day-by-day basis. In other words, you have over 20 different settlements file in your folder. So, and then to do this manually, there is high tendency that you might actually miss out one of the Excel reports. And in the process of doing some summation or addition, there might be error in your reports. But not to worry, we at Tax Savvy Pro Accounting Firm, we've developed an easy way out. So, and the easy way out is called the consolidate function, which is inbuilt inside your Excel workbook. All you just need to do is to click button and answer a series of prompts, and then you have your report within a matter of minutes. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you now. So here is the folder of what we want to consolidate. You can see we actually have like 25 items that needs to be consolidated. And from there, we need to also provide like a beautiful summary report as well as a pie chart. So all I just need to do is to open one of my Excel, a blank Excel workbook here. So once you do that, you can see, so you just go to the Smart Data tab, which is something that is customized from Tax Savvy Pro Accounting Firm. So, and then within the Smart Data tab, you see the Consolidate function here. So you just click on it and select series of prompts, and then you have your report within a matter of less than a minute. So let's watch how the magic will come out. So it's actually doing the work for you now. All you just need to do is relax and not to stress yourself. You don't need to give yourself headache or panic. Just say, boss, don't worry. My Excel function is doing the magic for us. It will not just only do the magic, it will give you something that is very accurate, fast, and reliable. So just wait and see while and let your function do the magic. Voila, the report is ready. So the first report you see here is the summary report, and then the next one will be the consolidated file itself. So let's see. Yeah, so this is the summary report. You can see it has 3 different sheets. One for the overview, you can see the number of files consolidated is 25. Then the detail, it will tell you the count and amount of each of the files. And then if there's any exception or any error, it will alert you here. So let's go to the consolidated file. So you can see these are the files consolidated, all the 25 files consolidated. So if you check this, these are the file names as well. So for tracking purpose, you can see all the 25 files are actually here. So the next thing that we would like to do is to summarize this data by channel. We want to summarize, we want to know the count and amount for each of these channels. It can either be web, mobile, and the rest. So I will just click on the data analysis here, follow some series of prompts as usual. So let's do, just follow me as I'm clicking on the prompts. All these prompts are actually self-explanatory. So it's something that you can easily catch up with. So just follow me as I'm clicking on the prompts. So eventually you'll see what will come out of this. So I want a bar chart. Let me do a bar chart instead of a pie chart. So voila, the report is ready. You can see. So this is my bar chart. It has grouped each of those reports by channel, ATM, mobile, POS, USSD. So these are the amounts, which is also translated into the bar chart here. And in this summary report, it will not only give you the amount, it will also give you the summary and amount. And there you have it, accurate, fast, and simple. So you can just quickly submit your report to your boss and you become a star. So if you actually want to install this particular template or function in your Excel, simply comment Savvy and like this video, and you fill the simple form that is in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you very much, and catch you on the next episode.